I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. The why is simple. A clean, slightly hydrated canvas helps product adhere and prevents creasing. Gently pat product-free skin and use a lightweight primer or moisturizer. Wait 30 to 60 seconds so it absorbs. Then, pick a small concealer brush or pointed sponge. Apply a thin line from the inner corner toward the outer corner, focusing on hollows. Once done, tap, don't rub. So you preserve coverage and now you build coverage. The how is layering. Apply thin amounts in 1 to 3 short passes to reach the opacity you need. This prevents cakiness. Blend outward and slightly downward to lift the eye visually and match face texture. Use gentle tapping motions to avoid stretching skin. If you need more blend, switch to a damp sponge for a seamless finish. Make sure to set with a small dusting of translucent powder to lock it in without dulling radiance. To finish, press 0. 5 to 1 gram of translucent powder under the eye. Pressing preserves coverage while preventing friction. If creasing appears later, don't pile product. Instead, add an ultra-thin layer of hydrating primer and reapply a very small amount of concealer only where needed. For midday refresh, choose a lightweight cream or blurred powder and tap lightly. If the finish looks dry, smooth a tiny drop of moisturizer at the outer edge and blend to reinstate natural sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.